G-Day mates. Today, I want to talk about a simple yet effective solution to a big problem: bird netting for pest control. Picture this: you spent hours tending to your garden, only to find pesky birds swooping in and wreaking havoc on your precious plants. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, because bird netting is here to save the day. Bird netting is like a protective shield for your garden, keeping those feathered intruders at bay. It's a cost-effective and humane way to deter birds from damaging your crops without causing them harm. Plus, it's easy to install and maintain, making it a hassle-free solution for both small and large-scale gardens. Now, you might be wondering, how does bird netting work? Well, it's simple. The fine mesh of the netting creates a barrier that prevents birds from landing and accessing your plants. It's like putting up a no-entry sign for our feathered friends, ensuring your garden stays bird-free and thriving. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, bird netting is a game-changer when it comes to protecting your hard work from bird damage. So if you're tired of seeing your fruits and veggies disappear before you can enjoy them, give bird netting a try. For more in-depth information and to explore the benefits of bird netting for pest control, check out the link in the description below. Trust me, your garden will thank you.